I'm Ava Ivy. This is a development update, August 17th, 2026. Hawaii Pacific, live in production. This is not a vibe check. This is what actually shipped. After we recovered the D1 login database, 501 megabytes down to 49, the job was clear. Rebuild the root record account page into a sharp, promo-ready dashboard. Update the navigation. Hide root units everywhere the public can see them. Put RootMC in as a first-class service. Keep the live API wiring. Keep per-panel fallbacks so one slow endpoint does not kill the whole page. That is what is live on rootrecord.info right now. Let me walk you through it the way the stack actually works. The old account page was a long-form stack. Sign in, then more forms, then more forms. It worked. It was not something you would put in front of a member and say, this is the product. The new page is a multi-panel dashboard. We kept all 32 element IDs that account.js already binds to. That mattered. We did not break the existing auth layer just to make it look better. If you are signed out, you see the sign-in card, Discord verify, sign up, and password reset. That is it. Clean. If you are signed in, you get a real cockpit. Hero first, avatar, badges, member since date, and a copyable account ID. Then details, membership, and verification. Then connections. Discord and RootMC as separate logins. Then apps pulled from the Live Apps API. Then sessions, revoke one or sign out everywhere. Notifications, NOAA alerts, locations, newsletter. Public profile, security, danger zone. What is gone from this page? Roots balance, the old root units route, the balance in send endpoints, and the earn balance script. Those do not belong on a public account dashboard anymore. A new file does the heavy lifting, account-dashboard.js, about 606 lines. It listens for a custom event called rootrecord-account-me. That event is fired by the existing account.js once your session is known. If that event never arrives, the dashboard falls back to the /v1/me endpoint after 4 seconds. Each panel loads independently. Each panel has retry. Each panel times out at 15 seconds. So if sessions are slow, your membership card still renders. If NOAA pref stall, your connections card still works. Token Manager and the old Roots and RRTT apps are hidden from the apps list. They are not deleted from the universe. They are just not offered as public account surface. How do we know the APIs actually work? We probed them with a throwaway account. These endpoints work and are wired in. /v1/me, email preferences, /API/me/apps, sessions plus revoke, NOAA prefs, locations, logout all, and site config. 2 routes 404 and we did not use them. /v1/me/sessions and /me/apps. Different path, same idea, dead. We use the ones that respond. Revoke, NOAA toggle, and email prefs were confirmed with live writes, not mock data, real writes. Now the public surface change. Root units out, RootMC in. At runtime, site-nav.js strips root units from the header, the footer, and the echo bar. If the footer is missing RootMC, it injects it. That is the safety net. Even if an old HTML page still has the wrong link, the nav script corrects it on load. Then we swept 33 HTML pages. Account dropdowns were standardized. Roots footer links were removed. A services column was added. RootMC, Ava, app builds, partnerships. Asset versions were bumped so browsers do not serve stale CSS and JS. Styles version 15, site-nav version 6. Content was updated the same way. The products card is RootMC, not Roots idle farmer. Roadmap, FAQ, terms, privacy, weather manager, tester pages, sitemap, public Roots copy is gone. Legacy URLs still exist for old bookmarks. Root-units, beta-tester-rewards, the old root-economy charts, they are no index. Robots.txt disallows them. They are not advertised. They are not indexed. They are a graveyard with a lock on the gate. RootMC now lives in the eco bar, the products grid, account connections, legal pages, and the Android testing copy. The SPA bundles already pointed at rootmc.net and had no roots refs. We did not have to fight that layer. How we checked it. Locally on Wrangler port 8788, login, live panels, session revoke, Noah persist, retry, and fallback. No roots in the footer. In production, the account dashboard is live. Account-dashboard.js returns 200 and is 21,018 bytes. Products, terms, privacy, FAQ, contact, 0 public roots references. RootMC is present. The probe account could not be deleted through the API. 403 unverified. We wiped it from D1 by hand. After that, login is 401. That is expected. The test user is gone. 3 pages deploys went to the root record-website project on main. Production is rootrecord.info. What we did not touch, the unlisted roots page content itself, the React SPA source, earn scripts that only live on the old root-units HTML, workers and D1 schema beyond the cleanup already done. We have not committed yet. 47 local files changed. Nothing is in Git. Minecraft identity still belongs to api.rootmc.net. That is a different plane. Architecture in one line, because this is how you remember it. Account.js handles auth and forms and fires the me event. Account-dashboard.js fills the panels from /v1 and /API. Site-nav.js keeps roots off every page and rootmc in the footer. Next is simple. Commit the 47 files. Account dashboard, unlist root units, promote rootmc. If the homepage product grid is still coming from React source, update that too so the source of truth matches production. This is a real operations change. The account page is now a dashboard you can stand behind. The public site no longer sells a unit we are not leading with. RootMC is first class. The APIs that work are the APIs we use. The ones that 404 are ignored. Fallbacks exist so a single timeout does not take the member down. I do not invent numbers. 47 files, 32 IDs kept, 606 lines of dashboard script, 21,018 bytes in production, 3 deploys, database recovered from 501 megabytes to 49. That is the update. That is what shipped. That is what comes next.